YouTube channel Trisha's World. So today I am sharing with you my hair care routine by using Wow Skin Science Onion Hair Care range. This onion hair care range has 3 products. These are Wow Skin Science Onion Black Sheep Hair Oil, Wow Skin Science Onion Shampoo and also Wow Skin Science Onion Conditioner. These products have no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, and also they are dermatologically tested. So they are very much safe for every hair type. So it's suitable for every hair type. It has the magic of onion black sheep hair oil, which helps to reduce hair fall and also gives you a shiny and silky hair. It has the goodness of red onion, which helps to reduce the hair fall and also it helps to regrow the hair. The black seed oil helps to bring back the shine and also it helps to tame down the frizz and give you a silky and shiny hair. It has the mix of different oils which helps to repair the damaged hair and also promote new hair growth and healthy hair growth. So here you can see the Wow Onion Black Seed Oil, Wow Shampoo and also the Wow Conditioner bottle in triple packaging. So here is the onion black seed oil cardboard packaging, which is the outer box, which clearly mentions all the important things and also the price and the lifetime. And here is the bottle, which also mentions all the important things. So here is the oil, which is very lightweight and also it is very transparent, easily absorbed on the scalp. So this is the oil. This is the Wow shampoo bottle, which is also has a pump packaging and the price and other things mentioned in the back. So this is the shampoo texture, which is transparent jelly consistency and very lightweight, and also it helps easily clean your hair. Here is the Wow conditioner bottle, also similar packaging as shampoo and also same thing mentioned in the back and the price also the similar as shampoo. And here is the conditioner, which has a white color and lightweight consistency, which nourishes your hair and also conditioning it. So this is the conditioner. So here you can see I am applying the onion black sheep hair oil on my hair. This oil has a goodness of red onion and black seed oil, which helps to reduce hair fall and also gives a shine in your hair. And also it has a beautiful blend of different other oils like almond oil, jojoba oil, castor oil and also coconut oil, which also helps to repair damaged hair and also helps to promote new hair growth. So here I have applied the oil and I leave it for 1 hour. So now it's time to apply the shampoo. Now it's time to apply the conditioner. So I take 2 to 3 pumps conditioner and apply it on the length of my hair. Do not apply conditioner on your scalp, which also causes the damage and hair fall and also the dandruff of the hair. So I apply it for 2 minutes. Because the brand has Green Hand initiative, the brand sent plant seeds for every product bought from their website to encourage the people to grow green. I think this is a very interesting initiative by the brand. So this is the condition of my hair after washing the conditioner and I just air dried it. So you can see my hair is very shiny and also it is very smooth and also frizz free. Can see this, it is very much manageable now. By regular using these products, they protect your hair from damage and also promotes new hair growth, and it also balances the scalp and it has the natural ingredients which gives the nutrients which are very useful for the scalp to produce new hair growth. Also they helps to protect the strands from the damage and also it produces healthy hair growth and gives you a 10x shine, supporting boosting blood circulations on the scalp and stimulating the hair growth. So this is all about my hair care routine by using the Wow Skin Science Onion hair care range. So my experience is very good. So I am highly impressed about this product. So I am highly recommended this to you guys. If you want to buy this product, then you can buy it by clicking on the link given in the description box, and also you can use this coupon code to get extra off on their website. So it's time to goodbye the harmful chemicals and say hello to the beautiful nature. So be wow naturally. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. So bye everyone. Just take care and goodbye. Bye.